Ooh, who is that? Is that me? I think it is.
Hey, it's Louise. I was supposed to be doing my homework, but my mind just goes all over the place. So I got distracted, and now I'm doing a facial scrub. So yeah, so let's get into it. I'm gonna wash my hands first and get my face wet, and then start putting it on. Comment, like, and subscribe. Okay.
Okay, y'all, so ingredients, no particular order. I blended aloe vera and carrots, and I strained it and used the juice. I put honey, tea tree oil, coconut oil, Acne II serum from my previous video, brown sugar, and coffee grounds with carrot shavings, and I'll put it all in the description below as well.
With all that I do to my skin does not treat me right, okay? You think it would listen and, like, you know, take in the nutrients that I give it. Like,
I should do my neck too.
wet my neck.
This is random, but your girl's always listening to music. I'm waking up, I'm listening to music. I'm going to sleep, I'm listening to music. So I'm like, let me share a song with y'all. So I hope y'all love it as much as I love it. I just found it, so yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. Most likely 10. I gotta rinse this off. I liked it. My skin feels soft, and I'm gonna use it again. I mean, I made a lot, so yeah. So I have no choice. You can make it in your own consistency because I didn't like it. I didn't like it so grainy because it dries my skin out. For me personally, you know, everybody's skin is different. So yeah. So do you put the oils that you like, or you can put the oils that I put. Give it like a little twist to your own liking. Okay. So yes. So comment, you know, what you did, and if you did it the same way that I did it, then you can comment and say that, and conversate with me, and I'll conversate with you, and you know, we will have a conversation. We'll have fun together. We will go together. As y'all saw, I did a link check. Okay. Alright.